Hi there everyone, I hope you're all good. On the previous video I said we're going to talk about raised beds in this new video. So here I'm constructing raised beds in a school garden. So what are raised beds? Raised bed gardening is a form of gardening in which the soil is raised above the ground level and usually enclosed in some way. Raised bed structures can be made of wood, rock, concrete or other materials and can be of any size or shape. In raised bed gardening, vegetables are grown in a geometric pattern, much closer together than conventional row gardening. The spacing is in such a way that when vegetables are fully grown, their leaves are just barely touching each other, creating a microclimate in which weed growth is suppressed and moisture is conserved. Raised beds produce a variety of benefits. They can extend the planting season. They can reduce weeds if designed and planted properly. And they can reduce the need to use poor native soil. Since the gardener does not work on the raised beds, the soil is not compacted and the roots have an easier time growing. So waist-high raised beds enable the elderly and physically disabled people to grow vegetables without having to bend over to tend them. Advantages of raised beds. They reduce waterlogging, provide a deeper seed bed and rooting depth, provide a better drainage from the root zone, which may reduce salinity in the root zone, result in minimal compaction from traffic. They are designed to provide safe and legal disposal of excess water. They improve efficiency of farming operations. Raised bed systems shed more water because ponding is prevented and the surface drainage is more efficient. While generally minor, raised beds do have some disadvantages. Raised beds dry out faster than level garden sites. Accordingly, they have to be watered more frequently in dry weather. Initial construction of raised beds may take more effort than maintenance of the conventional garden. What do you use raised beds for? Longer growing season. Soil in raised beds usually warms up faster than on the ground, so you can plant earlier and enjoy a longer growing season. Less bending over. It's easy to reach plants and harvest, so you don't have to stoop as low as much. Fewer seeds. Growing plants close together helps suppress weeds. This raised beds application can be used in smaller and larger fields of agriculture, whether it be gardening, farming, or in greenhouses. A raised garden bed is simply mounted soil or a contained bed of soil above surrounding grade. The goal is to create a deep, wide growing area that encourages plant roots to grow down and outwards. The challenging native conditions can be overcome through the use of raised bed gardens. Gardening in raised beds is one of the most common ways to grow food in your home garden. Using this method provides many benefits. The primary one is being soil control. This is especially beneficial if you currently have less than ideal soil in your backyard kitchen garden. The raised bed or growing bed is the basic unit of intensive garden. A system of bed allows you to concentrate on soil preparation in small areas, resulting in the efficient use of soil amendments and an ideal environment for vegetable growth. Beds are generally 3 to 4 feet wide and as long as you desire. You work from either side of the bed, reducing the incidence of compaction caused by work on soil. This is one of the cheapest methods to construct raised beds. Please consider following this method of gardening at a lower cost. Thank you for watching.